Hi everyone, and welcome to week 4. I thought I would film this week's video amongst my rhubarb and tomatoes, but it's quite breezy here in Ballarat, so I do apologise if there's some background noise to this video. Hopefully you can hear me nice and clear. So for this week, week 4, we're going to start working on family and work and the family and work balance. It's a really interesting week this week actually. There's a lot of terrific readings, and if this is the topic that you've chosen for your essay, I think you'll thoroughly enjoy this week. There's a really terrific video in the learning materials by Nigel Marsh. It's a 10-minute video, so it's a little bit on the long side, but it's quite funny and offers up some really interesting opinions on the work-life balance, so I suggest you have a look if you can. Module 4.4, we're going to start working through the teal paragraph framework for writing essays, so that'll give you some help with how to start formulating teal essays. And also there's an example essay in there as well, so make sure you have a look at that to help you as you start structuring your essay. So hopefully on Monday most of you will have your article analysis submitted. It's due Monday the 1st at 5 p.m, so please make sure you get that in on time if you haven't already asked for an extension. But it's a pretty easy essay assignment that we've been working through, so I imagine most of you will have that submitted on time. Under this video here, there's a little bit of information that I've left. Oh, my dog's coming to say hello. So this is Bane. Say hi, Bane. Hi, everybody. Sorry about that. I've put some information under this video with some links to some additional resources. Now, these aren't actually for this unit. It's a Chu series, Dr. Professor Chu, and he's got some really good ideas on how to help you study and learn to study better. It's for one of my other units, but it's really good, so I thought I would send the link to you to have a look through. So by no means do you need to do that, but if you'd like to, that'd be great. So for this activity, in the first module 4.6, we're going to start working on writing a thesis statement, which is a really strong statement that you use in your introduction to show the reader what you're going to be exploring in this assessment. So it gives you a really good guidance on how to do that. 4.7 module is introduction, where you start to learn how to write introductions, and that incorporates a thesis statement as well. Now, the good thing about this week and in the week 8 module, you'll see that once you've got a draft of your introduction, you can email it to me for feedback, which is fantastic because essentially you're getting feedback on part of your essay already. The trick is make sure you email. Oops, sorry, my phone just fell over. Really professional video here. Make sure you email it to me. Don't put it on the discussion board. You need to email it to me because it is part of your assignment, and sharing on discussion board a full part of your assignment is probably not a clever idea. The other thing to remember is you only get one feedback, so only email it to me once. I can only give you feedback on the introduction once. I can give you feedback on a couple of other things going forward in future weeks, but for this you only get one go at the draft, so make sure that you've got it nearly ready to go before you email it to me. Anyway, that's it for me and Bane for this week. So I'll upload this now and I'll see you on the discussion board. See you guys.